A present perfect tense story on Emma and Sparkle who have fun skiing in the snow. Let's first take a look at the definition of the present perfect tense before starting the story. The present perfect tense is a tense used for past actions that are related to or continue into the present. Now let's begin our story. Recently, a few days ago, it has rained in Emma's town. However, for the last couple of weeks, it has snowed more than 5 times, which is a bit strange. Emma has always loved to play in the snow. She has played in the snow many times before when she was a little girl. She has a beautiful pet dog named Sparkle. Her dog Sparkle has never played in the snow before. This is Sparkle's first snow experience. He has not felt the cold yet. She has just received a new sled for Christmas. Before stepping out for her ride, she puts on her warm clothes and snow boots. Now they have reached the bottom of the hills. She has begun to pull the sled up the hill. Sparkle has run alongside Emma. He has followed her up the hill. He seems to feel too excited at this time. Emma has finally reached the top of the hill. She sits on the sled all ready to go. She has ridden down the hill with a bit of fright but still joyful. Sparkle runs and follows her very closely. Finally, after a fun ride, they have reached the bottom of the hill. Sparkle has followed her all the way down till they reached home. It seems like Emma and Sparkle have decided that they really have enjoyed playing and skiing in the snow.